The Czech Freelance Tax Calculator is a custom-made tool by tax advisors and accountants for calculating income tax contributions and your net income after the taxes. We don't use any sort of API or third-party applications, and we update the tool regularly with new government rules and tax law changes every year, just to make sure that the tool calculates everything correctly. To check your tax and contribution expenses, you should enter the annual gross income amount, and if you qualify for spouse discount, you should toggle on the option spouse income under 68,000 Czech kronas, and it will deduct spouse tax discount from your income tax amount. And if you have kids and qualify for kid bonuses, then you should toggle on have children and then enter the number of the kids. If you don't qualify for spouse tax discount and kid tax bonus, then you should keep the toggle off. Now let's try the calculator and calculate the Czech Freelance Trade License net income after the taxes. Let's assume the gross income is 3 million Czech kronas for the full year, and we qualify for kid tax bonus only, and there is one kid. And we use method 60/40. It means we can deduct 60% as a fixed expenses from your gross income. Even if you don't have these expenses or zero business related expenses, you can deduct 60% from your gross income as an expense and pay taxes from 40% only from your gross income. Also, everyone qualifies for 60/40 tax method. The tax 60/40 has specific rules and conditions. If you want to investigate more about tax method 60/40, you can find a link of the video below for the 60/40 rule and conditions. And now we just need to click on calculate to check the clean income after the taxes. So our gross income for the full year was 3 million Czech kronas, and our net income after the taxes and contributions is 2,335,939 Czech kronas. And we can check the results. Health insurance is a mandatory contribution, and the amount is calculated for the full year, including insurance deposits you will pay if your income is 3 million Czech kronas. Social security tax is a mandatory contribution, and the amount is calculated for the full year, including the social security deposits you will pay if your income is 3 million Czech kronas. In this situation, the tax bonus is zero. Even if we entered one kid and we have one kid tax bonus, it's zero because the tax bonus used to cover part of our income tax amount, and it decreases the amount of final income tax. Finally, we have an amount of income tax from trade license business for the full year. Here we deducted the freelance tax discount, which is available for everyone, and also in this situation we deduct the tax bonus for the kid, and we are paying less income tax. Also, you can calculate your tax expenses and net income in different currencies. You just need to choose the foreign currency name and input the income amount in that currency. Click calculate, and it calculates taxes, contributions and net income in different currencies. This calculator was for trade license freelance business as main source of income. This means you have an income only from Czech business. You can also check our other calculators. The site income calculator is custom-made tool for calculating your tax and net income if you have income from freelance and Czech full-time employment. An employment contract calculator helps you to understand if you pay less taxes if you work as a self-employed, or if you will have full-time employment in the Czech Republic. Or content creator tax calculator helps you to understand if you should declare your income tax from YouTube or other platforms as a self-employed or as a hobby income. You can find the links for these all tools below.